Okay, one of the most difficult things with integers is wrapping our brain around being able to compare and order them. What's bigger, what's smaller? I always encourage you again to think of either temperatures with what's hotter or money, what's more money. I find that the most concrete way to say I have positive $5. It's obvious that's more money than if I say, oh, I'm negative $10, I owe $10. Obviously, this person is the richer person. That's the bigger number. It can also be really helpful to refer to a number line. You've just been doing some practice with number lines. Obviously, this side or this end here is the greater end, the bigger numbers. And over here is the smaller end. So here are a couple examples from the comparing integers practice task you're going to do next. So I encourage you, if you're a little unsure, to look at the number line. But let's look at what this first example, here says first. Which sign makes the statement true? So we're asking ourselves, is -5 the bigger number or is 0? So if you think about that in terms of money, are you richer if you have $0 or if you owe $5? So obviously, and also looking here on the number line, here's our -5, here's our 0. The 0 is the closest to the right, therefore it's the biggest. So for this particular one, we want to say -5 is less than, which is this symbol, 0, or 0 is greater than -5. On this second example down here, we're comparing -20 and 15. 15, positive 15 is obviously bigger than -20. Thinking about it in money. So for this one, we again want to say -20 is less than 15. One way to remember how to use these symbols, I always put like 1 dot here and then 2 dots there. 2 is bigger, so that's the side with the bigger number, 15. And then on this side, we have -20 because it's the smaller number, so it goes by the smaller number of dots. Finally, we'll look at just a few examples here of ordering the integers from least to greatest, which means from smallest to largest. So in our first example here, we're looking at 18, positive 18, -1, and -4. So -4 is the furthest left, then we have -1 there, and positive 18 would be somewhere over there. So that means -4 is our smallest, followed by -1, and you can put the plus if you want right here. Obviously, you're just clicking the buttons. Positive 18 would be the greatest. For the next example, -19, -12, 14, and -10. -19 would be somewhere way over there on our number line. It's like owing $19 is going to be the smallest. Then owing $12 will be the next smallest, because that again is somewhere over there. Then we have -10, which is right about there. And then having $14 or positive 14 is obviously the richest person or the biggest number. In our last example here, we have -16, -18, positive 8, and -3. So owing $18 is the lowest number, the smallest number. Owing $16, slightly bigger, but still small. Owing only $3, not so bad. Positive 8 or having $8 is the biggest or the richest person. I hope that helps prepare you for the next couple activities. Good luck.